Lord have mercy. What happened up here? We've been sitting in traffic for about an hour. So if you're on Route 80 going east in Pennsylvania near 476, yeah, you might want to go around. I don't know what's going on. We're about to find out now. Was this on construction? Maybe this is on construction. Nah, they pulled something out. Oh, truck overturned. Dump truck overturned. That is serious. All the dirt too. Whoa. A dirty dump truck overturned. Right in the construction zone too. Damn. That shit fucking